How to find your iPhone from another iPhone. So what you need to do is take the iPhone from the other person and head over to their browser and simply search up iCloud.com. Now open the web page. Once you've done that, tap sign in. Now what you're gonna do is click use a different Apple account and then you're gonna log into your Apple account. Now in this case I'm just gonna log into my own because this is my phone. Now, once you open the web page of iCloud, simply scroll down until you see the apps. And then in the apps, you're gonna find the app that just says Find My. So just tap that. And then you're gonna see all of your devices that are connected to your iCloud. So you're gonna tap your iPhone and then tap Play Sound. And just wait a couple of seconds, your iPhone is gonna show up on a map. As you can see, the map opened up. And that's where my phone is. And there you go. That's how to find your iPhone from another iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.